Today, I transformed the Porsche Taycan into a more futuristic coupe. My goal was to create a two-door sports car that is more beautiful and futuristic than the Porsche 911. Here are the best designs. The basis of the designs was the Taycan, which is the most futuristic car in the current Porsche lineup. I've used features of the 911 in my designs, most visible in the hood lines of the first car. The bumper and sides have some Boxster design elements. I am particularly fond of the front of this design, which looks sporty and futuristic, but not too much. I reworked the first design into a more restrained and sophisticated style. I removed the lower addition from the bumper, and the side air intake has become much smaller. The side skirt and bumper extensions complement each other well and make the car sportier. This design is much sportier and bolder than the previous ones. It has a very aggressive bumper and side air intake. Perhaps the design is too aggressive, but it's undeniable that it looks very beautiful. I am really pleased with the hood design. I also wanted to make a real luxury coupe design, which I think turned out well. The whole car exudes luxury, which I achieved mostly with rounded shapes. I also wanted to incorporate some wildness, which I managed to do with certain curves like around the lights. For the wheel rim, I chose a much more futuristic version than the previous models, which fits well into the design. Overall, I think it turned out beautifully. Recently, I have not designed many car rears, which I will make up for with this Porsche. I wanted an aggressive and sporty rear end. My base was the rear end of the 911, which received significant modifications. I totally highlighted the exhaust section and it received a huge diffuser. I wanted to include a rear wing as well, but neither like the one the 911 has, nor similar to the Panamera. This kind of rear wing fits the shape of the car much better. It's sporty, but at the same time, not too much. I experimented a lot with the lights, but I like this solution the best. I'm signing off today with this beautiful car. Please leave a comment about which design you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.